Page 32, merry-go-round. 3/4 time, no sharps or flats. Is it C major or A minor? Well, look at the end. The last couple measures at the bottom of page 33 were here. It's an A minor chord. I'm guessing we're probably an A minor. Right hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got accidentals, look out. And they're saying third finger. That doesn't work. I can't go from here to here. So I'm suggesting a slightly different fingering here. For here and anywhere else you get this pattern. The first couple measures are fine, but then here I'm suggesting a 1. You can do a 1, 3, 2, and the same thing, a 2, 3, 2 here. So it's a, to me that's it. I can connect all that together with my fingers of a 1, and I like to finger thing legato when I'm figuring it out. And I can put in the slurs and the phrasing later. But right now, so I'm suggesting a 1, 3, 2, 2, 3. And then for the second line, it's a 2. And then you can do a thumb. Now you got to move up because you got quite a ways to go. And I'd thumb. And same thing, except here again, same fingering. 1, 3, 2. Scratch out 5th finger, like so, and then the next page, their fingering is fine. It is a B, a C, and an E. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. Remember when 3/4 time? 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Now the fun part. Second line on page 33. We got 2 voices going and we need to be accurate with each voice. The top voice is here. The bottom voice is here. You just hold that down and then the third measure it's here. We want to hear both voices. So it's together. You hold the A down and then they're saying 2, 3. It's okay, it's between slurs. You can lift up. Again. Hold the B down. Now hold the the C down as you play that here, and then again 2, 3. So the last 2 measures of that second line is here. Take some finger control there, so good luck with it, but it's important that you learn to do that. Go as slow as you gotta go. It's here, then hold that down, and then here, and here. Just work it out really, really, really slow, and you gradually speed it up. May not happen overnight. Stick with it, you'll get it. Then the next line is here. Then come down and same thing, an octave lower. We're back to that rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. And here 2, 4 and then 1, 5. Left hand. Keep the left hand soft. What we want to hear is in the right hand. So it's here. Again, 2 voices going on. The bottom voice, it's got to hold that out the whole measure, and you just add the top voice to it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Your fingering here is up to you. I tend not to move around anymore than I have to. If you want to use the same fingering, it's up to you. I don't recommend it, but you can. I prefer to do a 3, 1 here, and then here. You don't even have to use 5th finger on all those. I mean, you could use 3rd finger, then 4th finger, then 5th finger. So work out a fingering you like, pencil it in if you need to, and stick with it. Second line, last measure. So hold that G down as you play those. Last line, you're here. This is page 32, last line. Now here, 1 and 2 and 3. 4th finger on the E, so it's 1 and 2 and 3. bottom note down. And then the next page, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now, there, at the last measure on page 32, you were here. You gotta move. So you can go ahead and move if you want second finger or third finger. Doesn't matter. I like third finger myself because I'm going to use second finger on the B in the next measure. So at this top of page 33, 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. And then we're back to what we were doing originally. That's about it. At the bottom of the page, the last two measures, that is an A and an E. And you really should know those notes. It's important that you be able to glance that and you know that bottom note's an A. It's 3 ledger lines below the bass clef. 1 ledger line is an E. You should know that. 2 ledger lines is a C. You should know that. You're just adding another ledger line is here. So just memorize that note is an A. Put the hands together. 1. Make sure you hold all these notes down the right amount of time. Here, 1 and 2 and 3 and. See, this is part of my problem with I'll just play it for me and let me hear it. Because they'll get to that first measure in that page 33. Oh, that's how it goes, okay. And they don't understand that that's what the music is saying. They're just assuming I'm correct. If you could count that out yourself first and figure it out yourself first, you've accomplished something. It's 1 and 2 and. You're playing on the ands. 1 and 2 and 3. So it's 1 and 2 and 3. Add the articulation, and mostly it's or legato. That's going to cover it all up, but you can still go through the motions with your hands. And that's about all I see as far as articulation goes. The left hand, really there's hardly any articulation. You just connect them. So fourth. Dynamic wise, this is the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. Just start out moderately soft and go up to moderately loud and come back. The third line down, now you're starting moderately loud, go up to loud. And then back down to moderately loud. Then over on page 33, it's moderately soft. This can be both hands here. You come up to here, and here. Again, we're back to the right hand. Keep the left hand out of the way. And then moderately soft. Soft. You get a little louder. And then very soft. It's like an afterthought. It's very effective. And again, we like to look for little subtleties in the music, little things that'll take it from a really nice performance to a really nice performance. And look at this melody here, like in the first line, you have. Well, that's pretty much everywhere, except when you get to page 33, second line, that's not it. The top voice, it's different. That difference is important. The other note has been delegated to the other voice. So play the top voice a little louder if you can on the page 33, second line. Don't make it sound like all that's one voice. It's not. It's here. There's a little things like that, little differences like that help out a great deal. Takes finger control to be able to control how hard you're playing these notes. I'm putting more weight on the upper voice. And here, more weight on the upper. Light, and then here. Here, exaggerate that for a while, but it's good. You develop that kind of control over your fingers, it's going to enhance your piano playing a lot. We add the pedal. Overlapping pedal, pretty much. It looks like they're changing every measure. They got that simile there again. Okay, that's good. That's fine. If that's what they want, that's what we'll do. Going to push the notes down first and then the pedal. And then when I change the pedal, it'll be after I play the notes in each measure. So the pedal lags behind the notes. So at the beginning, it's here. Just going through that way. Changing the pedal at each measure. I would like to change that. I think it's a little blurry, but I won't. We'll just stick with this. Now there's a note at the top with swinging the eighth notes. So it's rather than 1 and 2 and 3 and, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. So the first line, 1 and 2. And 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 So speed wise, about 132 is, that's moving pretty good. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See, you eventually get going so fast that you can't do the 1 and 2 and 3 and the swing rhythm anymore. It messes it up. The short note is too short, so don't go too fast. We still want this ba da 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 da. There, so don't go faster than that. I like to play it with you very slowly. I'm not going to do the dynamics, but we'll do the notes and the rhythms and all that junk. So I'll give us 3 counts. Let's try it together, just to double check the notes and the rhythms. 1, ready, go. 3, tie, 2, 3, off.